Define your wins. That's it. You can end the video right now. I scroll a lot, and when I scroll on Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, I see all these amazing engineers. They build awesome stuff. They land gigs at massive companies, or they even start their own startup, whereas for me, even opening VS Code feels like mission impossible. I have this toxic relationship with programming, where I want to be the best in the world, but I can't bring myself to do the actual work. Ambition without the work ethic. That was until I saw this talk. And I get it. I've heard it a million times. Have a routine, make it a habit, have a streak. But in all of this productivity jargon, we forget that we're human. And humans, like any other animals, need positive reinforcement. We can lock in, but sometimes we need to pat ourselves on the back. I mean, no one else is going to do it for us. So I started this simple practice called defining my wins. So when I sit down to code, whatever time I have, I think of the smallest goal I can achieve. So in the next 30 minutes, my simple win could be making the API return hello world. And as soon as I cross that off my to-do list, I get this dopamine hit looking for my next win. And not only does it make programming more rewarding, but it gives me a nice sense of direction, a nice little dopamine hit I've earned by coding. And that's all social media does for us. It provides a guaranteed win on every scroll. And for every win you make, I'm guaranteed to cheer for you. Thank you for your time. I am Big Box.